Hello, this is Dana from Ocean State Harley-Davidson here in Warwick, Rhode Island. Out here today with our Billiard Red and Stonewashed White Road Glide Special. This is a mid-model year release. It's got a cool #1 logo on it. The cool thing about the red bike, there's a red version of this and there's a Billiard blue version. The red version, just the logo really blends nicely in with the paint. It's got a Milwaukee 114 blacked out motor. This is cool Harley-Davidson graphics on the saddlebag. Specials have the stretch bag so you can see the profile. See how the bag stretches down and wraps around the exhaust. So one of the things we just found out is from the back of this bike, you can kind of see how this paint comes down and then flares out at the bottom. That is actually supposed to match the look of the #1. So it's kind of a #1 back in the back of the bike. It's got this cool kind of cue ball look to the fender and the tank. It's one of our more attractive new paint jobs that we've had in a long time. It's kind of two teams on this, Team Red and Team Blue. And again, from the front of the bike, you kind of have the continuation of that #1 stripe on the fender. And then the fender also, see how the back of it, just like the #1 does, kind of flares out at the bottom. So that theme is repeated in a bunch of places on the bike. See the #1 flare on the back of the fender. A lot of people don't know. I didn't know that until it was pointed out to me. So it's kind of a cool looking bike. Even though we're inside, we'll just start this for a second so you guys can hear this bike run. Got a boombox GTS infotainment system. It's got navigation, and it's got you can plug your device in over here. It's got Apple CarPlay, and now I forget what the Google version is, but the Android version of CarPlay is also available on these bikes. So yeah, it's got dual beam LED lights. Like all the dressers, it's got the dual disc front brakes. One cool thing, this bike does have the RDRS, which you can see the little switch over here, which is traction control, interlinked braking, tire pressure monitoring system. And part of that is these cool 90-degree valves on the wheels. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day, and thanks for watching. If you're interested in this bike, don't wait too long, because I have a feeling this one won't last very long. So enjoy it out there today, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Everyone stay safe and enjoy your summertime.